In this video, we're going to be going over how to manage customer messages across multiple channels. So if you're selling on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, your own website, it can get incredibly overwhelming dealing with customer messages coming in from all of these different channels and not having a way to streamline them and to put them all in one place. So that's why I use Crazy Vendor. So Crazy Vendor is an all-in-one e-commerce software that allows you to connect to multiple channels, including Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, Shopify, as well as several others. And you can import all of your orders, all of your listings, and more importantly, all of your customer messages. So when you get a message on eBay or you get a message on Walmart, all of those are then going to be imported right here into your inbox. So once you connect your account, you can then come to communication and you can go through all of the different tabs. So you can view all of your messages right here. You can view the ones that are open, ones that are in progress, closed. You can view Amazon specifically, as well as then you have system messages. So especially platforms like eBay, where you might be getting messages directly from eBay, all of those are going to be here. Then you have messages that you sent. So this is really important, or it's just really handy if you wanted to see messages that you or your team sent. You have conversations, cancellations, order inquiries, returns, as well as cases. So all of the different messages, both from the customers as well as from the systems and marketplaces, are right here into a really well organized inbox. So let's take a look at how it looks. First, let's take a look on Walmart. Now, this is a message that Walmart sent to us as sellers for a return. So this message is for a customer who had an item that they wanted to return, and they went ahead and they created that return, and then Walmart sent a notification. So what happens is inside of Crazy Vendor, that is then treated as a message, and you can go ahead and you can view it under returns. It will then show you the status. So here I can see the initial message. So not refunded, customer state, return initiated. And then I can see where it was from. So it's from my marketplace, which is Walmart. And then you're going to have order details. So it's going to show you the customer's email. It's going to show you their name, the customer address, as well as the order number and all the important details. So this way you can keep track of your returns as well as messages or any pieces of information pertaining to this order. Additionally, I can see the tracking information. I can see when the order was placed, as well as the updated date. So this way I can see if the customer is actually returning it within the amount of time that Walmart allows them to. And you can do this across eBay as well as Amazon. So it works for really any marketplace that you're selling on. You get all of the information for the returns and messages all to one inbox. So here's another sample message. Now this is from a customer on eBay who is messaging us asking about the item. So I don't have to go to eBay any longer in order to respond to messages. So the customer asked, what is the best price that you can take for one of these items? So instead of having to log into eBay to respond to this message, all I needed to do was just log into Crazy Vendor. And then I was able to say, hello, our best price on this item is $185. And I can do this for both Amazon and Walmart, as well as Shopify and other marketplaces. As long as I have them connected and everything is good, I'm going to be able to get all of my messages into one inbox and then respond to them as well as manage them all from Crazy Vendor. So again, this is included with all the other parts of the system, including order management, shipping management, and everything else that you're going to get. So if you'd like to try out Crazy Vendor, be sure to go ahead and click the link in the description, as well as to use our coupon code to get access for a free trial. And we look forward to seeing you in the future, as well as any other future videos. As always, thanks for watching.